Hey, hi all, this is BRR. Welcome to BRR Knowledge Hub. In this today's session, we'll talk about load balancing and failover system configurations on cloud. Like what is a load balancing and what is a failover system configuration when we deploy multiple systems to the same website. So load balancing is a technique which is used to distribute workloads uniformly across different servers or other computer resources to optimize network efficiency, reliability, and capacity. That means if you are deploying your website on different servers to optimize the performance and network efficiency and reliability and at the same time high availability, we should choose load balancing. So this load balancing configuration will provide you the uniform distribution of requests and workloads across all the different servers to provide the response for the respected request sent by the client. So here the system failover system configuration. This means this will comes into the picture when the particular server is shut down. So generally this load balancing will distribute the client requests uniformly, but when it comes to failover system, this configuration will come into the picture when the relevant server or the working server gets shut down, then only this comes into the picture. So generally this load balancing refers to efficient distribution of incoming network traffic across a group of backend servers, also known as a server farm, web farm, and web garden kind of things. So in this manner, a load balancer performs the following functions like distributes the client request or network load efficiently across multiple servers. If you look at this is the load balancing configuration. That means here these are the clients. That means browsers, like client is accessing from the desktop machine here, and this client is accessing through a tablet. This client is accessing through mobile. So these are the servers which my website is configured in the cloud, and between these servers and the client, I have a load balancer configuration. So the objective of load balancing is to optimize the resource use and minimize the response time, thereby avoiding the overburden of any of the resources on these servers. So the main goal of load balancing is to distribute the request over a network when your server is reaching maximum amount of size of the CPU or disk or database input-output rate. So this load balancer will frequently sending health checks to the servers based on the configuration time. So if any of the server is not healthy, then this incoming request will be sending to the other servers. Okay, this is what the load balancing. And when coming to the failover system, so here, this is the failover system. I have two servers, it's node 1 and node 2. And this is main system, this means primary system, this is secondary system. The goal of failover is the ability to continue the work of particular network component or the whole server by another. So failover allows you to perform maintenance of individual servers without any interruption of your service. So I have sent a request to the server here, and my server gets shut down or gets down, and my request is automatically transferred to the second server. So my request will not stop or my request will not waste here. So the second server will process my request and send the response back to my client machine. So it is important to note that load balancing and failover system may not be the same, but the aim and goal is they go hand in hand in helping you achieve the high availability. So although the idea of load balancing is very clear, and when it comes to the failover system involves systems going down or failing completely, the data needs to be present at all servers, or in other words, there is a need of data replication. So failover typically involves two servers like node 1 and node 2. The these two servers, this is a primary server and this is the secondary server. The primary server takes the normal load, processing all the requests sent by the client, while the second server monitors the primary server and wait for its shutdown in order to take over the services back. So for the process to take the place successfully, you need to detect the failure system and hence route the request to a new system, that is server 2. The failover can be triggered by changing the IP address that your domain points to. However, IP address changes take a few minutes to be implemented, and it won't take much time to process your request, and it will not affect on your request, and it doesn't show you the difference. So this is how the failover system is going to work. So I hope you understand how load balance is working and failover system configuration is working on the cloud when you deploy the website on multiple servers. So the main goal of this, either of this load balancer and the failover system is, so optimizing of a resource usage and minimizing the response time. So thereby it automatically avoids overburden of any one of the server resource. So if you have configuring this load balancer and the failover configurations, our client request will not be failure, because either of these two configurations, our request sent by the clients always process and send the response back to the client, because here the servers are available. High availability is nothing but always available of your resources because of these configurations. I hope you understand the purpose and the difference of load balancing and failover system configurations on the cloud. So please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos on these technologies, especially in the ASP.NET applications. Thank you. Thanks for listening this video.